Hi students, so welcome back. Last session we had discussed about some more interesting problem, that is board problem. So age related problem. So in this session we will discuss some more interesting problem, that is also board problem. So let us see how to find out also what is the interesting problem. So I consider here a teacher wanted to distribute the 900 chocolates. So chocolates means, so all of you have to like to eat the chocolates. So I am to very interested or I am to very like to eat the chocolates. So let us see. A teacher wanted to distribute 900 chocolates among the students of a class. So teacher has a 900 chocolates. So he want to distribute the chocolates among the students. First one condition is given here. Each boy received 12 chocolates. Suppose teacher want to distribute the 900 chocolate among the class, means first one condition, suppose each boy received the 12 chocolates and each girl received the 6 chocolates. Total chocolates is 900. This is the first condition. So each boy received the 12 chocolates and each girl received the 6 chocolates. This is the first condition. Next, second condition is given. If each girl had been given 10 chocolates, suppose next condition. So each girl received the 10 chocolates and then each boy would have to receive the 5 chocolates. This is the second condition. So how to find out the number of students in the class? So we don't know how much strength of the class, but we know we have our teacher have the 900 chocolates. So you have to find out the total number of strength of the class. So that is the number of boys and number of girls. So that's how to consider here. Let the total solution you have to take here. Let the total number of boys in a class be the x. So we don't know how much, what is the strength of boys and what is the strength of girls. So that's why I am considering here the total number of boys in a class, that is x. So similarly I have to take here. So let the total number of girls in a class equal to 1. Total number of boys in a class, that is x, and total number of girls in a class, that is y. So total strength of the class, how we have to find out? Total strength here asked. So find the number of students in the class. Total strength, or you can take total number of students. Total number of students in the class, that is equal to, how we have to find out the total number of strength of the class? So just you have to add number of boys plus number of girls equal to, that is x plus y equal to how much? So you have to find out x plus y equal to how much? That is total strength of the class. So according to the first condition, you have to form the pair of the linear equation into variable from this first condition. First condition, according to the first condition, according to the first condition, first one condition is given. So total number of chocolates are given 900. So first condition is here. Among the students of a class, suppose teacher want to distribute the 900 chocolates among the students of the class. So each boy received 12 chocolates and each girl received 6 chocolates. This is the first condition. So what number of boys is, that is x. Number of boys is x. So each boy, how much chocolate they will give? That is 12 chocolates. So means you have to multiply with 12. Means you will get the total number of students. So number of students we consider here x, and each boy get the chocolates, that is 12. So 12 into x means you will get the number of boys. Next, similarly plus. Why have to take the plus here? Because total number of chocolates has 900. Each boy received the 12 chocolates and each girl received the 6 chocolates. So number of girls, that is y, and each girl received the how many chocolates? That is 6, equal to total number of chocolates. Total number of chocolates is 900. Can take 900. Next, 12 into x. 12 is 6 into y, 6y, that is 900. So 12 into x, 12 is a number of chocolate, x is a number of boy. So chocolate into number of boy means we get the total strength from the boy. So 6 is the number of chocolates, y is the number of girls. So number of chocolates into number of girls means we get the total number of girls in the class, that is 6y. So total number of chocolates is, that is 900. So you can keep 900, or you can take common factor of these two terms, that is 6. 6 common factor means we will take here 6 to the 6 1 the y equal to 900. Next, you have to simplify means we will get 2x plus y equal to 900 into 6 means it becomes divided by 6. Next, x plus y equal to 6 1 the 6 1 the here 3 6 5 the is 0. So 150. This is the equation number 1. 2x plus y equal to 150. This is the first one, the equation. Suppose you know how to solve this problem means you can calculate yourself. After the answer, we will verify your answer with the my answer. Suppose you will get means it is very good. Keep it up. So let us see next one sentence. Next one condition. I am writing here next one condition. So then each boy would have received the 5 chocolates. Next one condition is given. Suppose teacher want to distribute the different type of condition. That is condition is given here. Each boy would have received the 5 chocolates and each girl have given the 10 chocolates. First one condition is given. Suppose 900 chocolate teacher is distributing among the class. So each boy will receive the 12 chocolate and each girl receive the 6 chocolates. Next one condition. So teacher will think about the how to distribute the 900 chocolate by in a different way. So that is the way here. If each girl had been 10 chocolates, suppose teacher this time we want to distribute the 10 chocolate to each girl and each boy would have been received the 5 chocolates. Then you have to find out the total number of boys and total number of girls. So next one condition I am writing here. According to the second condition, you can write here. According to the second condition, or you can write second situation. According to the second situation or condition, you have to write. Second condition is given if each girl had been given 10 chocolates. So number of girls what you have to consider here y. So y into how many chocolate each girl is getting, that is 10. That's why we have to multiply with 10. Next one, then each boy would have been received 5 chocolates. Number of boys, that is x. So we require here x into how many chocolates each boy is getting here, 5. So that's why I write here 5. Total number of chocolate is remains same 900 only, but teacher is distributing the different way. First one way is 12 chocolate each boy and 6 chocolate each girl. Total number of chocolate is 600 only. Next one way is total number of boys x. This time boy is getting the 5 chocolates. Total number of girl is y. This time the number of chocolate each girl is getting, that is 10, equal to total number of chocolate is 900 only. So this is the second condition. Next you have to multiply means. Suppose you have to multiply means we get 5 into x, 5, 10 into y, 10y equal to 900. Next you have to take the common factor 5x, 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10 equal to 900. So next step x plus 2y, 900 into 5 means it become divided by 5, x plus 2y. So 5 1s are 5, 5 1 is 5, remaining is 4. 5 8 is this 0, keep as it is. This is the equation number 2. X plus 2y equal to 180. This is equation number 2. So next step, you will be very familiar about how to solve the equation 1 and 2. You can use here elimination method, cross multiplication method and substitution method. First one, the equation is 2x plus y equal to 150. Second one, the equation is x plus 2y equal to 180. This is equation 1 and 2. Suppose you want to eliminate the equation number, you want to eliminate the term, that is y means just you have to multiply with this equation into 2, because coefficient of y in this equation is 2. Here coefficient of y is nothing but 1. So first you have to elimination method, you have to make the balancing of a term y and x. So here imbalance is given, you have to make the balancing, just you have to multiply here. Coefficient of y is 2, means you have to multiply with 2. Suppose you want to eliminate the x term, this is also imbalance, you have to make the balancing of the coefficient of x. You want to eliminate the x term, means here is coefficient of x is 2, that's why I have to multiply this equation into 2. So now I want to eliminate the term y, so that's why I am multiplying here 2, because here coefficient of y is 2, that's why I am multiplying here 2. So 2 into 2, 4x, 2 into y, 2y, 2 15s are 30 and this one 0. Or 150 into 2, 300. Next one is x plus 2y equal to 180. This is 180. Next you have to see the sign of a y term or x term. See here, this is 2y, this is also 2y. So both backside is plus plus, that's why I take here minus, this minus, this is minus, this is minus. So 2y get cancelled. 3x minus x, that is 3x. Next 300 minus 180. 0 minus 0, 0. Take carry. 10 minus 8 is 2. Here 2, 2 minus 1 is 1. So next x equal to 120 into 3 means it becomes divided by 3. 3 1 is 3, 40 is 1. So x equal to 40. This is the number of boys in a class equal to 40. Suppose you have to find out the y value, means you have to substitute here. I am writing here. So put x equal to 40 in equation number 1, or you have to substitute in equation number 2. This is the equation number 2. So which one is easy? Both are same. That is 150. This is 180. Here x. This is 2y. So same 2x and y. You have to substitute in here. In this case, you can select any one equation. Put x equal to 40 in equation number 1. Equation number 1 is 2x plus y equal to 150. So 2 into x is how much? 40 plus y equal to 150. 2 into 40, that is 80 plus y 150. Y equal to 150 plus 80 means it become minus 80. So y equal to 150 minus 80, that is total is 70. So y is 70. Y is the number of girls in a class, 70. But you require the total number of students in the class, that is x plus y. So x is 40, y is 70. Total means we get 110. So total strength of the students. Last one sentence you have to put here. Last one sentence, therefore the total number or total strength of the class, total number of students in the class, that is x plus y equal to x is 40 plus 70, 110. This is the total strength of the class. So next session we will discuss, or next video we will discuss some more word problem related to the pair of a linear equation in two variable, because I am taking the concept wise video, so it will help to you to score more marks in exam. So related problem you can practice in your home. take, or you can use the addition from SR or in NCERT. Let us check out how to calculate the word problem. Try it. If you are not getting the answer, just you have to ask to me. I will help you how to solve the word problem and how to convert the word problem to pair of a linear equation in two variable. Thank you. Have a nice time.